Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into the correct Google account and enabling Contact Sync. Make sure you use the account that holds the contacts you want to backup. Once signed in, open Settings and go straight to Accounts, choose Google and toggle Contact Sync on. This initiates the first upload. If sync fails, check Wi-Fi or cellular data. Syncing over mobile may incur charges, so prefer Wi-Fi when possible. Also make sure the device clock is correct, because time mismatches can block sync. Next, you verify and export a local copy so you control recovery options. On a computer, open Contacts. Google. Choose Export, select Google CSV or vCard, VCF depending on your needs, and save to a secure folder. On a phone, use the Contacts Apps Manage right arrow Export to VCF. Once exported, immediately open the file or import it back to a test account to confirm integrity. This prevents surprises later. If the file is large, compress or split it before transfer. To finish, import the exported VCF or CSV into a second account or device to confirm the backup actually restores contacts. This proves the backup's usefulness. Once done, enable two-step verification on your Google account and keep copies in cloud storage plus a local encrypted drive for redundancy. If you encounter problems, sync stalls, duplicates, or missing contacts, clear the Contacts app cache, force stop, then re-enable sync, or remove and re-add the Google account to trigger a fresh full sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.